Iridium is a satellite network that provides coverage to every part of the globe, providing you have a clear view of the sky. The Iridium satellite network constellation consists of 66 low Earth orbiting satellites which provide global coverage. The Iridium constellation architecture ensures that every location on Earth is covered by at least one satellite at all times. Iridium phones are capable of voice, data, machine-to-machine data, SMS texting, and email. Iridium satellites are in a low Earth orbit. They are approximately 800 kilometers above the Earth and are orbiting at 16,000 miles an hour, so their position is constantly changing in relationship to your location on Earth. The Iridium network is made up of three components: the satellite network of 66 low Earth orbiting satellites, the terrestrial networks of the Iridium gateway in Tempe, Arizona, together with the interface to the public service telephone network, and your Iridium handset, which will connect you to the rest of the world from any location that provides a clear view of the sky. Each of the Iridium satellites has a footprint that covers an area with a diameter of 2,800 nautical miles. 48 spot beams operate inside this footprint. The coverage area of each Iridium satellite is overlapped by other satellites, thereby providing seamless coverage. While using your Iridium phone, your call will be handed from one spot beam to another within the satellite's coverage. Once you have come to the extreme range of one satellite, your call will be handed over to the next. The Iridium system was designed so that continuous coverage is provided to its users. When using your Iridium phone, remember that the satellites are constantly changing their positions. It is possible the satellite may move behind a nearby obstruction, such as a mountain or building, and this may cause your call to be dropped. Each satellite is cross-linked to 4 other satellites, 2 satellites in the same orbital plane, and 2 others in adjacent planes. It is not necessary for the satellite to be in view of the ground station gateway. The Iridium network will route calls across inter-satellite links to the gateway, where the calls are connected with the public service telephone network. When calling from one Iridium phone to another, the call is routed to the nearest Iridium satellite and then passed on the inter-satellite link until it reaches the satellite providing coverage for the receiving handset. No infrastructure on Earth is used when making Iridium to Iridium mobile calls. Calling from Iridium to Iridium is cheaper than from Iridium to PSTN. When calling from your Iridium mobile to the public service telephone network, the receiving satellite passes your call to other satellites using satellite interconnections. Once the call arrives at the satellite directly above the Iridium gateway in Tempe, Arizona, the call is passed on the downlink to the gateway. The call is then connected from the gateway to the PSTN. It is possible to send SMS text messages from your Iridium phone to other Iridium phones and some cell phone mobile networks. You can send SMS to Iridium phones from your email account or from the Right Technologies website. When sending a message from your email address to an Iridium phone, you address the message with the Iridium phone number followed by @msg.iridium.com. These messages are free of charge.